Alright, so, my name is Sam, and I'm not really good at this, but, I just began starting to use my voice to sing as a coping skill, and, I'd like to share it to you guys because, I think, I have autism and stuff, so I think it'd be actually great for me to not be embarrassed of my voice anymore or any of that, so here it goes. Sometimes I sing my own music. You're never gonna leave my side. I'm just a walk away from you. Oh, oh, oh. You will never understand what I'm going through. You will never understand what this means to me. You will just walk away. You'll just walk away like every single guy I meet. Oh, yeah. You'll just walk away, and I'll never see you again.